Exploring the majestic Petronas Twin Tower, Malaysia. The Petronas Towers, also known as the Petronas Twin Towers or KLCC Twin Towers, are a pair of incredibly tall skyscrapers located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Standing at a height of 452 meters 1,483 feet, the Petronas Towers held the title of the world's tallest buildings from 1998 to 2004. They remain the tallest twin towers globally. The towers were designed by Argentine-American architect Cesar Pelli. They showcase a postmodern architectural style, drawing inspiration from Islamic art and culture. The structure features a combination of steel and glass, symbolizing Malaysia's modern outlook. The tower's construction began in 1993 and took approximately 6 years to complete. The towers consist of 88 floors, with the skybridge connecting them on the 41st and 42nd floors. The construction process involved innovative engineering techniques to ensure stability and withstand earthquakes. The Twin Tower serves as the headquarters for Petronas, Malaysia's national oil and gas company. However, the towers also house numerous offices, commercial spaces, a concert hall, and a science museum, making it a vibrant hub of business and culture. At the base of the towers lies Surya KLCC, a world-class shopping mall that caters to every taste and desire. The double-decker skybridge is a notable feature of the Petronas Towers. It offers breathtaking panoramic views of Kuala Lumpur. Visitors can explore the bridge and experience the sensation of walking between the towers. The Petronas Towers have become an iconic symbol of Malaysia and a major tourist attraction. They have been featured in various films and television shows, further cementing their worldwide recognition. The Petronas Twin Towers, an architectural marvel, an emblem of Malaysia's progress. They stand tall as a testament to the nation's vision and aspirations. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the world, one captivating story at a time. Thank you for watching.